Iron concentrate powder is the main raw material of pellet, and the fluctuation of iron content will directly affect the quality of finished pellet. Do you know the specific operation process of the production of iron fine powder ball press? Iron fine powder ball press. Hydraulic station pressure. Open the bucket elevator for the silo. Open the buried scraper conveyor for the elevator feed. Open the ball loose material ritter screw conveyor. Open the main engine. Open the auxiliary machine. Open the vibrating feeder feeding the ball press. Open the spiral gate of the silo. Clean up sundries and fix bolts before starting. Check whether all bolts of the machine are loose or fall off. After removing the load, it is allowed to start the iron fine powder ball press.